So I did work, so I washed my face.
Wait, you can do a mouth warm up like the reporters do. Tongue twister, twist my tongue, warm it up. Go. See? Now you try. No, I'm serious. They warm up their tongue with tongue twisters so it's relaxed and it can take the heat of the moment.
So, anyway, you're a mess. I'm never putting you on my channel again.
Slacking over here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry. You're f***ing me up. He's a little frustrated with me because I can't help him. So this is a drawer full of eyes and lashes. I can't tell him what he can pick. I'm just telling him categories. So I'm not telling him what shade, what goes where.
Yeah, this is going to be easy because I can already tell I'm better than you at this. So
wow, okay.
I'm going to show them how I taught you to do this about a year ago.
Totally, because I've only been doing makeup for a year.
So we're going to go with the extended Brazilian lashes here. I'm going to put products over here.
Alright, what's the next thing you're going to pick?
The next thing I'm going to pick is my specialty, and that's called the foundation. This will go all over your face. You'll be very proud of the work I do.
Oh my god.
This is called the light caramel look. The next product I'm about to pick is...
This is just eyes, you know that, right?
The eyes are the most important feature of the face, so the eye makeup goes across the entire face.
So what is this that you just picked?
I'll show you again. This is the foundation.
Great. So that goes all over my face.
Yeah, we might switch it up because you know I'm one of those artists where
what is this?
This is going to go on your upper eyelid, just one. So we're going to do a little mixture between the two different looks here. I don't know what color this is because glitter reflects light. So we're going to go with like a little silver bronze mismatch. All right.
Great.
All right. Let's see what else we're looking at.
Okay. So those are liners. Sorry guys, my drawers are hella messy.
Like I said, there's never enough glitter in life. We may or may not use this, depending.
No, you have to choose things you're gonna use.
I might put it down later. We don't need none of this. Maybe, you know what? Change my mind. This is the face art. This will go somewhere upon the face, and I will make great use of this. And we're going to throw another one there as well, because as I'm going, you know, I like to add to my masterpiece. We'll go with a little purple. And once I open this pen, I'll see what it does.
Okay, great.
Going down to the third one.
Those are some leftover lipsticks, but there's a lot of lipsticks everywhere.
Down to the next one.
There's nothing in there. It's okay.
This is for thoughts and ideas.
Oh, there's more lipsticks here. And lip glosses. Liquid lipsticks and liners and all that great stuff.
The second one is going to be...
This is a lot of lip products.
The violet purple mixture with the pink. Alright.
Bronzers, highlighters.
Alright. So.
Blushes.
I've only used this once on myself. And that was yesterday. What did I use yesterday?
I have no idea. I didn't even know you wore makeup.
Alright. Yeah, I can sneak in here sometimes. Here we go.
Oh my god.
This is the Forever Blush, my specialty. Meaning it will never come off. And forever you would blush after wearing this.
Foundation.
Foundation. This will go across the forehead of our test subject today. It's called Bright Torture.
I'm a test subject?
Yes, Bright Torture. That's what we're going with. Or Future, same thing.
Oh my god.
Alright. Okay, getting low. Getting down and dirty.
These are extra eyeshadow palettes, so...
And I think that's it. Let's see what's down here.
Oh no, that's like my hair product.
That's the water from how hot she's going to look after this.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Alright. So, I have makeup on from work, so I'm going to wash that off.
That I did this morning.
That he did not do.
Don't.
so I'm gonna wash my makeup off and he's gonna do my makeup. Yep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look.
No, my look.
Yeah, basically. So as you saw, my boyfriend over here.
Who?
You.
I have a name.
Travis. So you guys saw that he chose all of my makeup for this video. I did help him out with telling him where categories were, but I didn't help him pick the products. You saw the products. I'm a little nervous.
She didn't have a
I helped you.
Come on. Alright.
The people told me they didn't want me to help you, so that's not my fault.
Well, I am the people's champ. So.
Okay.
I got it.
So I did work today, but I washed my makeup off, and I did put on moisturizer because my skin will go crazy if I don't have moisturizer on. So that's it. So we're going to get this video started. Right? You ready? He's going to say, I was born ready.
Exactly.
I roll. Alright.
Okay, first I'm using a bronzer. Because it says bronze on it, so obviously you just add 2 letters. That's how this world works with it making words plural.
Here are the brushes. Choose the brushes that you want.
Alright. I'm using the same brush I used during my Princess Diaries look in 08. You can catch that on YouTube, just search for it. Alright, so first we want to splash some of the subject onto the brush.
Stop calling me a subject. I'm not a subject.
Yes.
Okay.
Cap is in the way. Always never let the cap get in your way of life. Now the lesson begins.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, here we go. I like to do a little spiral motion because, you know, nothing gets left behind.
I love how you started right on my pimple.
Just deal with it. In the end, you never judge something until it's fully complete. Alright, close your eyes. We're going a little deep in here. There we go. Let's get some more. She's not even ready. She just can't accept how good this is gonna work. We're going out tonight after this, by the way. With this look, she already promised me. She probably
don't lie.
You didn't tell them that we're going out after this?
We're not going out after this. Don't let him lie to you. Don't lie to my
your lips. It's called the windshield wiper. I invented that because
I don't even know if that was in the frame, dumbass.
The windshield wiper. When you can't get something, you try the opposite way and it works. Why is this not coming out to the way I experienced it? We got this. Should have did this with my finger. Alright, step 1 done.
So, face foundation on.
Bronzer on.
Sorry, bronzer.
Alright, next we go straight to the glitter. This is because you always want to add some spice in your life, you know.
Where are you putting the glitter?
On your eyelid. Because we don't need eyeshadow anymore. Just do this. Splurt, splurt.
You're so aggressive.
Heavy-handed.
You can't do that with makeup. That's better.
Alright. Blink for me twice. Glories. Alright. Next we're going to do a little bit of mascara.
You didn't pick mascara.
Alright.
You mad?
We don't need none of this. We don't need none of this. Okay, we're going to use this as mascara.
What?
Mad.
You're mad.
You see your eyes?
Oh my god, please.
This sucks.
You I can sharpen it. What happened? It went inside?
No, that's not how I opened it.
Oh, it's dry. Let me show you one thing that... So I had to grab lash glue because he's obviously not going to know to grab that. So I did grab it for him. Are you going to finish with this or no?
Yes. You go
I
back.
had to sharpen the pencil because it was hella dry.
Alright, here we go. Oh, there we go.
Oh my god, this dry ass pencil.
We got this, girls.
You know, this looks great, right? Perfect.
This is gonna land her first movie role. Watch this. Next, we're gonna glue eyelashes onto her face.
My face?
The eyes are part of the face. So first we paint the lash. We do it freehand. Not too much because she eventually wants to take these off. Just a tinge.
Great word. Great word choice.
I'm tinging these on. Now I do this for every morning, so don't act like you're not impressed. Blink 22 times really fast.
I'm not blinking 22 times.
Twice. It's done.
So I do have my TV set up, but I can't see in detail what he's doing, so.
Alright, so this one is going to go on eye number dos. Oh. Blink. Beautiful. See, who does it quicker than that? So, now we want to put on some lipstick. So we always start with the upper lip.
You might have to swirl it around in that.
I ain't worried about that.
Oh, jazz hands.
Next, we're going with a little more glitter, also on the eyelids to add a two-tone. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. So, we need some blush. Forever. She's forever blushing, so. The hardest part about blush is getting it open. I like to use an approximately 1.72 centimeter brush. Alright, just a little bit. You know, nothing crazy.
A little bit? Look at all this fallout.
Fallout is what people say when they're about to be shocked by the results.
Oh my god.
Now you dab it. If anyone ever dabs anything before, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So we like to do an extended cheekbone. What's this called again? Blush. Because when you have glorious cheekbones like this, they tend to look better if you extend it towards the ear structure of the face. Alright, we're looking good. Okay, looking good.
You probably f***ed me out, bro.
Nah, whatever. This is just some glorious things. You'll see.
Show them. That's so close! Why are you so close?
This will go wherever I want it to go. Normally it would probably go above the eye.
Be careful because it's broken.
So I'm going to go like this. A little extension tail. We call that tail some Sonic the Hedgehog.
I can't. Ow.
She's so sensitive.
You have to be gentle with the face. Thank you.
Perfect. Look at the artist. So now we're going to do round 2 of the pencil. This will be the final look.
Okay.
So what I need you to do is give me your bottom eyelash.
What? Is it coming out?
That's what she said.
Please don't. Is it coming out, bro?
Absolutely. Look this way.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's looking great.
You're f***ing it up.
Come here. Got you.
Lies.
Look up, look up.
Like, who connects their eyeliner to the inner... You're f***ing me up, dude. You did that shit on purpose.
No, I didn't. This is looking great, actually.
Am I ready to look now?
She's done. And she's going out like this.
Oh my god. This looks great. It looks bomb.
I knew she would love it. But I'm going to start charging her because I ain't doing this.
You're going to charge me for this?
If you want it again,
$2, right?
First demo's free.
$2.
Products included in the cost.
So, that...
Why is she confused by a masterpiece? I don't understand.
I look like, you know those like older ladies that have blush like all the way up here? That's how I look like. Were you shaking your, is that
Because
what you wanted?
That was my inspiration was, you know, it was called the Old Purse Lady at ShopRite.
Okay. So that concludes this makeup tutorial.
I love
Hopefully you guys like this. Comment down below on how you think he did on a scale of 1 to 10.
On a scale of 7 to 10.
You did a 0. I'm sorry.
7 being
This
good
looks
and being
awful.
great.
This looks really bad. I'm sorry. I love you very much, but he cannot do makeup. It's fine. It's okay. You tried. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos not like this, because I have my own content that I put out. Unless he wants to do my makeup again, which I don't know if he ever wants to, because he's gonna charge me, apparently.
Time is money.
Oh my god. So don't forget to subscribe. Check out all of my videos. I have a lot more videos coming out. I want to do some Halloween looks, because Halloween is coming up. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Nice, thank you. Comment down below on how you think he did, if he did a 0 as I scored it.
On a scale from 7 to 10.
Okay,
7 being good,
no.
10 being magnificent as it was. So I'm already know. You don't even have to comment because I already know what you're gonna say. So it is what it is.
Cocky as And don't forget to hit the notification button right next to the subscribe button, because it'll notify you on when I post videos. I do post them every week, but sometimes I will maybe do 2 a week. Might surprise you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!